Hello, good evening, friends. It's great again to be back once again in Mumbai, even for a short time. Still, it's good to be here in Mumbai, the magical city. And as you can see, this is WESTIN Mumbai Garden City Hotel, I think, which is also called as Marriott Bonvoy. And friends, I am in the 32nd floor. Just now I arrived and just wanted to share you the ambience of the room where presently I am residing for 2 days. I will just show you outside view. You can see this hotel is located in Goregaon, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Which is a business city of India. And this is a splendid view. Of course, it's traffic everywhere. So this traffic phenomena has become common in every metropolitan cities. So as Mumbai. This is a small table they have given for all your documentation and other business work after you finish your daily activity of business. And after the activity you have to sleep. This is the one. Some fruits there. To gain instant energy. It's a good thing. You have all the facility to just take some coffee. And also we have more things here. We have a small refrigerator as well, where you have a lot of drinks and other refreshments if you need. The good thing what I like about this is there's a sliding door provided between the bedroom and the bathroom. You can see that the sliding door, if you don't need, you can just and with it's very near, the bathtub is very near to your bed, and there is a sliding door provided, and if you don't need this can be closed. This can be closed so that you will have more privacy. But at the same time, if you want, it can also be open. It's a nice, neat and clean hotel. With the required bathtub. And a lot of other hand wash and lotions, drinking water, and also the essentials like the dental kit and also the shaving kit and whatnot. Beside the bathtub, you can also see they have shower. And of course, this is the commode. I just now arrived and we have some clothes. I just hanged it so that I'm ready for tomorrow's meeting. Splendid view. Of course, you can see this way. And that's our door. Thanks for watching.